We are back with the breaking update coming in from Kerala. The Chief Minister of Kerala has sounded a warning. He says 70% infections came from abroad and huge challenge now for states ahead. He's also citing statistics to maintain the alert. Now, this is very, very critical and crucial because there are many other stranded individuals, stranded Indians, who of course are going to be brought back by the Indian government through the Vande Bharat mission and the Samudra Setu mission, which has been launched by the Indian Navy. And amidst all these developments, the Kerala Chief Minister says 70% of the infections came from abroad. So definitely all the states that at this point in time are facing this huge influx of people from outside, all Indians who are coming back, stranded individuals who are returning back to their home states, those states definitely will have to be extremely cautious now. He says 70% of the positive cases in Kerala are those who came from abroad, and those in home quarantine should not come in contact with others in the house. It's a huge challenge for the state in the days ahead, as large number of people are expected to enter the state. So the Chief Minister of Kerala, they're expressing his concern at a time when 5 more positive cases have been reported from Kerala. Okay, I believe Vivek Karandalam is joining us. Let's go across to him directly. Well, the Chief Minister of Kerala is expressing his concern regarding, the rise in the cases and also the fact that 70% of the infection came from abroad. So definitely it's a very, very critical stage for all those states that are expecting more individuals to come back.
Exactly. There's a huge concern that's been raised by the Chief Minister of Kerala. 70% of the total cases are reported from people who are coming from abroad, especially from Middle East, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and other countries. Because most of these Keralites who have gone for job purposes are staying in these countries. Remember, in the portal, in the Norca portal itself, 4,21,000 people have registered initially, of which 1,39,000 people are planning to come in the first phase. By the end of this month. Now, the government has given priority to people who have, who are of dire need, especially who are desperate to come over here, and people whose the visa validity has been expired. Elderly people, people who are sick, people, pregnant women. So these are the people who have been given priority. Now, as far as the future is concerned, what Chief Minister clearly says is that it's going to be a huge concern because there are also reports coming that enough checking, enough screening has not been conducted in these airports in these Middle East countries, and hence they are not able to detect whether the person has been affected by COVID, and they just send them here. And yesterday there were 6 cases that's been reported where people who were asymptomatic over there were found symptomatic while they arrived in the airports, especially in the Cochin and Kozhikode airport, and 6 of them were moved to COVID hospitals in the medical colleges. So a large number of people coming from Gulf countries, especially Middle East countries, is going to be a huge challenge. What Chief Minister says is that people should, undergo the home quarantine. He says that by home quarantine, he means to say it should be room quarantine, which means the person who undergoes the home quarantine.
Measures need to be taken to curb the spread further. Vivek, thank you very much for joining us with those details. We'll keep coming back to you for updates.